So what is it that Polly is going to do with the leftover porterhouse steak? Here's a clue. You're looking at the crock pot, and there it is. I cut up some onion and green pepper. Put a little beef. I said beef. Put a little beef broth in there, and I'm gonna let this meat become shredded. And yes, the bone is still in there. I'm gonna take that bone out. Let's see how it goes. All right, 6 hours later, there's my steak. Put the lid over back here. And let's see. I already did a little bit, but watch us shred. Look at that. I just threw the porterhouse steak in here with the bone because that's not a real rifle, that's my phone. But if you heard that. But yeah, see it cleans it off really nice. So I could have trimmed it off of there and just had a bone with a bunch of meat on it. Right. Pull that bone out. Look at that beauty. Too bad I don't have a dog. And we can continue shredding this up. Yeah, this is going to be chili, folks. That's what it's going to be. And oh boy, look at that. That is amazing. 6 hours in the crock pot on high. Beautiful. So now I'm going to start adding the ingredients to make the chili. And away we go. This will keep falling apart as it cooks. 1 can of some generic ass. I got paint. I've been working on some models. Diced tomatoes. 2 cans. One of my favorite cooking tools. So I got some. That looks terrible, don't it? Horrible cooking show having black fingers like that from paint. But let's add some tomato paste, some Hunt's. Let's put this whole. And let's put in some chili powder. Just get it started. Not sure if that's even enough. Thing about making chili. My golden rule is always make it to taste, because you follow a recipe. You know what? You got spices in your pantry, your cupboard, whatever, your spice rack. Spices get old. They deteriorate. Flavor goes away. If you follow a recipe verbatim, you might not get that taste you want. So this is one of those things where you got to taste it frequently as you season it. You know, so again, I got canned beans. I'm not going to add them right now. I just got a little bit of chili powder in there. This is going to be good. I do have a secret ingredient, which I will be sharing here. So folks, I already added some cumin, a little bit more chili powder, some salt, pepper, garlic, the beans, 2 cans of beans. Yeah, I didn't make my own beans, but kidney beans. And a little bit of sriracha. But here is this right here is my secret ingredient. I'm just kidding. Not really. Here is my secret ingredient. Molasses. That's probably enough. Nah, just a little bit more. That is good. Geez, this is going to be so good. I'm telling you. Ooh, I'm splashing. Gonna be so good. And would you look at that? Amazing. See that shredded beef? You see that shredded beef? Oh my gosh. This has been cooking. Right now it is 7:30 p.m. and I've been cooking this beef since 11 a.m. this morning. And this is some wholesomeness in the greatest way and manner. And sheesh. Let's bowl some up. And I gotta be honest with y'all, I've already had 2 bowls. Because like I said, you make it to taste. Don't follow no recipe on chili, ever. Just like spaghetti sauce, you gotta make it to taste. Now, like I said, I had 2 bowls, so I don't want to have too much, right? It's a full bowl. But let's put a little something on there for a little enhancement. So my wife can get the full life insurance policy. Mix that cheese in. Spectacular. Now you can see the cheese is already melting. Maybe you can't see, but this is really good stuff. Let's go for the taste. Don't want to burn my mouth, but I will. Robust flavor. I don't know anybody else that puts sriracha in their chili, but I do. As well as, well, molasses. I've heard of other people doing it, but it's kind of like a thing I started doing on my own without knowing about anybody else doing it. Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is some good chili. I did mention that I was going to make tacos out of this, the rest of that meat, but when you make tacos, you got to make them individually, and I had way too much meat, so didn't feel like doing that. So I made a chili, you know, a little chili, and it's all one shot. Make it done, right? You just heat it up when you want it. Alright folks, till next time, I'm Paulie. Later.